first time visiting Hoi An, save these 7 unforgettable experiences that you cannot miss when you visiting this captivating destination.
1. Experience local food like a local. Hoi An is famous for its simple but deeply flavorful local cuisine. Don't miss dishes like cao lao, white roast dumplings, bánh mì Hoi An, mì Quảng, and fresh seafood. You can try them at Hoi An Central Market, small family-run eateries in ancient town, or street food stalls along Trần Phú and Phan Chu Trinh streets. 2. Enjoy coffee at local cafes. Coffee culture in Hoi An is slow and relaxing. Cafes are often set in old wooden houses along the river or hidden in small alleys. Popular areas include cafes around Hoi An ancient town, river cafes along Hoi River, or quiet garden cafes outside the old town where you can escape the crowds. 3. Take a night boat ride and release lanterns. One of the most iconic experiences in Hoi An is taking a small boat ride on Hoi River at night. As lanterns light up the old town, you can float on the river and release a paper lantern, which symbolizes wishes for peace, luck, and happiness. Boats are available along the riverbanks near the ancient town after sunset. 4. Get custom-made clothes in just 24 hours. Hoi An is well known for its tailor-made clothing service. You can have suits, dresses, or traditional outfits made within 1 or 2 days. Most tailor shops are located around Hoi An ancient town, especially along Trần Phú Street and Lê Lợi Street, where you can easily compare fabrics and designs. 5. Learn to make traditional lanterns. Lanterns are a symbol of Hoi An. Many local workshops offer hands-on classes where you can learn how to make your own lantern using bamboo frames and silk fabric. These workshops are mostly found inside or near the ancient town, and the finished lantern makes a meaningful souvenir to bring home. 6. Join a cooking class with local chefs. Hoi An is one of the best places in Vietnam to join a cooking class. Most classes start with a visit to a local market, followed by hands-on cooking with a local chef. You will learn how to prepare traditional dishes like cao lao, spring rolls, and Vietnamese soups, often in countryside kitchens or riverside houses outside the old town. 7. Cycle through the countryside. Beyond the ancient town, Hoi An's countryside is peaceful and green. Renting a bicycle allows you to ride through rice fields, coconut groves, small villages, and quiet roads. Popular cycling routes lead to Cẩm Thành Village, Trà Quế Vegetable Village, or even all the way to An Bàng Beach for a relaxing break by the sea.
Hoi An is not just about sightseeing, it's about connecting with local life, experience the culture. And whether you stay here one day or several nights, you will see the real charm of Hoi An. And check our website or message us here to book a city tour or food tour. And we're Kids Tour, the motorbike tour led by women drivers in Vietnam.